Old Volvo there. A rather sporty Mini here. It's with Cooper. MG. Now, is it an MG Magnet? Remember John said that Joe had one of those ones. With the MG Magnet? Yeah, we're talking about Joe Rhodes' husband? No. Well, were they never married? I'm trying to work out what did happen there. Right, there we go. Jaguar there. GB. Still racing for Escort there. The more subdued Austin 7 there. There we are. Lotus, Jaguar, and the lot here. And the old CXJS. What's that one? Wolseley 450. Oh, right. That's what a car my grandfather would be telling more about. Morris Minor. Right. Jaguar there. 3.4. One of them. Very clean and tidy there. Looks like it's been well kept. Small Modern Y Ford from 1935. Old Humber. Look at the shape of the windscreen there. MGB TV8. This is the one. Just looked at the other gentleman. And, this is the fast one. Automatic as well. As you can tell, it's the other one's 4 cylinders down there. The MG, the blue one in the corner I showed. It's one of the old 80s Jags, which got very popular. This is the wedding Jag. The two this type as well. Yeah, this is one. Series 3 Jags.